Land area calculation. This lesson explains the basic of how to calculate the area of any basic shape. After this lesson, you will be able to know how to use the formulas to calculate the area of different shapes. Now, how to calculate area. To measure an area is to calculate how many square units it contains. It is obtained in several ways, depending on the geometric shape to be calculated. If the area has difficult shape, it will be cut into simple geometric shape. The most used unit in public works is the square meter. For every geometric shape, there is a formula to calculate areas. The area of square or rectangle, you multiply the length by the width. Reminder, you can only multiply identical units, centimeter with centimeter or meter with meter. Here you have 7 meter on the length, multiply by 5 on the width, they give 35 square meter. In a triangle, one side is a base side and the remaining two sides can be the height of the hypotenuse side. The height is always perpendicular to the base. To calculate the area of the triangle, you multiply the base by the height divided by 2. Here we have 6 meter on the base, multiplied by the height is 5 meter, and divided by 2 equals to 15 square meter. Example, we have base of this triangle 7 meter, and the height is 3 meter. When you have a triangular to calculate its area, you will have to arrange to take the measurements perpendicular line from the base to the opposite vertex. Here we have 7 meter on the base times the height divided 2 equals 10.5 square meter. We need now to find the area of a circle. First, we need to identify the radius of a circle. The radius is the length from the center of circle to the edge of the circle, or the radius is a half of a diameter. Now the area of a circle is its radius times pi. Here we have 5 meter times 5 meter times 3.14, this is constant, this is pi, equals 78.5 square meter. A trapezoid, also known as a trapezium, is a four-sided shape with two parallel bases, are the different lengths. Two bases are AB and DC connected to each other perpendicularly. This is the big base, this is small base, and we have the height of 20 meter, which is AD. The area of trapezoid is big base plus small base times the height, all divided by 2. Application, we have DC plus AB times AD is the height, divided 2. Application, we have 25 plus 15, all times 20, divided by 2, they give 400 square meter. Another example, small base we have 8 meter, large base or big base we have 24 meter, and we have the height 12 meter. Application, we have the area is 24 the large base plus 8 meter on the small base times 12 divided 2 equals 192 square meter. Here is a land area seen from the top with 6 sides. If you need to calculate this land area, you need cut it to the simple shapes. To have the total of this complex shape, you need to arrange all these areas. Total area is 15 plus 3 plus 40 plus 8. They give 66 square meter. Now, we pass to give some explanation how to calculate the land area or plot area for a site. There are many methods to calculate this complex shape. one of these methods is you try to add imaginary space in order to make the shape a standard geometric shape, and then subtracting area of that imaginary space after you get your result. For example, we have this land area. We need to calculate area with this color. To calculate this is we add imaginary space AT, area P equal IT, and we try to detect area A1, area 2, area 3. And area AT equals 28 is 12 plus 8 plus 8 times 17 is 8 plus 9 equals 476 square meter. We go now to calculate the area of this triangle. Is 9 times 4, we get it from the total minus 16 minus 8, and divided by 2 equals 18 square meter. Now we go to calculate the area A2 is 8 meter times 3 equals 24 square meter. Now we go to calculate A3 is a trapezoid, is a shape of trapezoid. Big base is 16 plus small base is 8 times the height is 8, all divided by 2, they give 96 square meter. Now area P equals 476 imaginary space minus area E1 is 18 plus 24 area 2 and plus area 3 is 96. The result of this land area is 338 square meter. This is the method how to calculate the land area or complex shape.